In the context of Azure Active Directory, what's the difference between the V1 and the V2 endpoint, and why would you want to migrate to the V2 endpoint? So first, what are endpoints? They have a URL, or several actually, where that enables you to acquire token to call a protected API, protected with Azure Active Directory. And the V1 endpoint and the V2 endpoint speak different protocols, and the V2 endpoint, by the way, is standard compliant, OpenID Connect and OAuth 2. And the V1 endpoint, supported by the family of libraries named EDAL, Active Directory Authentication Libraries, was only capable of sending in users with work or school account, organizational accounts, whereas the V2 endpoint is capable of sending in users not only with organizational accounts, but also with Microsoft personal accounts, like Xbox accounts, Skype accounts, Outlook.com accounts. So that's if you want your application to support consumer accounts in addition to organizational accounts, you want to move to the V2 endpoint.